good with y'all, man? We back with another video, you feel me? This about to be a little POV in the morning, in the rain. A lot of y'all been asking me, it's like, is the rain really bad? Is the car bad and the rain's bad and the snow? And the snow, depending on how much snow it is, you feel me? I still, nigga, if the roads is clear, I'm driving my shit. If the roads is like, bro, I don't give a fuck if it's 17 inches of snow on the sidewalks. If the road is clear, bro, I'm taking a rear wheel drive car. I don't give a fuck, bro. Fuck, I look like putting my shit in storage, bro. I bought that bitch to drive. Unless it's a collectible, but like, nigga, I ain't got it yet. I ain't got no collectible whip, nigga. I got a whip to drive. I do have a daily, but I'm not driving that shit if I don't have to. If it's cold outside and it's fucking snow on the ground, 9 times out of 10, I'm not going to work. I'm not even going outside, bro. I bought food the day before because I knew I wasn't gonna go outside that day. So therefore, my daily has been like, ever since I got it, I didn't put, me personally, I didn't put about 7 miles on that bitch. Meanwhile, I put about damn near 12K miles on this motherfucker in 8 months. Like, I be whipping this bitch. But this about to be a little POV drive, you feel me? In the rain, early morning, finna wake up the neighborhood. Fuck it, let's do it. I'ma keep it a buck. The worst part about doing POV drives, I love them, but the only part that's shitty is you can't listen to musicanas, bruh. No musicana, man. Like, you can't listen to shit, man. Bambaklad. But you deadass can't listen to shit, bro. It's just because you're gonna get copyright, which is cool, but like, why you need music when you got this? Damn, let the car warm up, boy. Oh shit, I'm in 3rd gear. Hold on. You feel me though? I ain't got no gas in the tank. I need to tune it before I get a fucking E-check, bro. I need an E-check next year, but I'm chilling. This is just me driving in the rain. Yes, I still do pulls in the rain. I don't give a fuck, nigga. Sometimes I even have traction control off this bitch, and I just be cruising. But it's time to wake up the motherfucking world, cause it's a new year. Wake up, wake up, wake up. It's the first of the month. Get up, get up, get. What the fuck? No, I am sliding like shit though, but like, I don't know. Y'all tell me, do y'all like it when y'all drive? Oh, look at the squirrel. Oh, he almost got hit, boy. Do y'all like it when y'all driving and like the shit low-key go sideways, like you ain't got no traction? Me personally, I love that shit. And the fact that I got a, you know what I'm saying, 300 horsepower Mustang, I still get traction. So usually when it's, I'm driving in the middle of the road, I don't give a fuck, nigga. Fuck out of here. Wake up, wake up, wake up. It's the first of the month. Get up, get up. Come on. But as y'all can see, I can drive normally in the rain. I'm not gonna hit the freeway today just cause like, 1, I ain't got no gas. 2, I'm not refilling up the gas. 3, gas. 4 is like, you know, gas. You know what I'm saying? And like 5, like, I don't, gas. You know what I'm saying? What? Boy, I'm telling y'all, my cold start next year is not gonna be the same, bruh. It's gonna be a rowdy ass V8. I'm telling you, boy, what if it's a 6.0 or a 6.2? You tell me what you want to shoot. I'm good. I'm good. A lot of y'all was really wondering if I have a dash cam or what the fuck is that? That shit, like the head thingy, bruh. The head mount, man. Hell no, I'm using one hand. I want to get one. I'll get one soon, but right now I'm just using the camera on my hand. Wake the fuck up! Wake up, wake up, wake up! The first of the month! Oh! Wake up! Wake up! Yeah! They probably like, man, this nigga, man. What the fuck? Who the fuck wrote down this one? Wake up, wake up. Yeah, boy. Is it snow? What the fuck? Why is it snowing? Oh no. Well, I guess y'all gonna see if it's good in the snow too. It's dead as the same, unless it's hella snow on the ground. I just want to drift this bitch. I actually do have a video of me doing one donut hole in the Mustang. I'm probably gonna post it on the shorts. The owner before this car was barely driving this bitch. When I touched it, hey, it felt some sort of torture it has never felt before. I don't give a fuck, nigga. And nothing has happened to this car. Like, I'm gonna let y'all know, this car is hella reliable. Only thing I really had to change was my rotors, brakes, and tires. Other than that, I had no issues. Check engine lights because of my exhaust. I got high flow. That little ass Magic school bus with no brand on that hoe. Hold on, wake up. Man, that shit was trash. It's alright though. I'll catch it one day. Boy, let's go. I don't want. I turn off traction just because it's like a little bit quieter. Listen though. Fuck is you talking about? Woo! Boy! Yeah! Woo! Lightning in the thunder. Hold on. I wish I could have my windows all the way down, bro, so y'all can hear this bitch. Hold on. My fault, I'm looking around and shit, see if I see a cop or anything. It's New Year's. Y'all know how they be out. Woo! I'm probably just gonna have to take one for the team and be cold, bro. Ecow. Listen, bro. When I get the V8, y'all think I'll be screaming loud now? Wait till, bro. Oh my God. Just wait, bro. Especially when I'm cruising with the gang. Oh my God, bro. Everybody got V8s but two of us. Like, literally. Maybe, well. Woo! We met a few, so we gonna see. Come on, man. Drive that bitch. I'm trying to lose some traction in this hoe. Here we go. Woo! I ain't never did that shit with one hand. I usually had two hands on steering like a NASCAR racer. Like 12 o'clock in, wait, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, wait. Man, fuck all that. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Oh yeah, bull. They like, why the fuck his windows down? I should drop the top on these niggas, boy. Y'all really hear how y'all really hear this bitch. I don't think it's that loud, but many people do say they hear me far away and shit, which is cool, but I want to be heard from here from when I started the video, but I want to be like catalyst, straight pipe, long tube headers, nigga, the loudest I can be. I might not even have headers, I just might be straight engine. Fuck is you talking about? Engine open exhaust, boy. Alright, nigga, it's cold as fuck though. Let's go. But like y'all see, I'm dead ass driving regular in the rain. I have not hydroplaned or nothing. Even when I floored that bitch, I have not hydroplaned. But this is a good ass first car for like getting into power and shit, cause like it sits you back. And don't even forget, oh my God, it can sit you back and shit for sure, but you'll kind of get used to it at a certain time. But when you a kid in high school, just getting out of high school, man, hell yeah, get this bitch. But test drive a C5 first though, I ain't gonna lie. I don't want you. When I tell you I was salty as fuck, when I was like listening to music, I was like, damn, I'm doing a POV drive, I gotta turn this shit off. That shit hurt, bruh. That shit kinda hurt. Hold on, it's a police station right here. Look, they can't even tell I got an exhaust on this bitch, look. Listen how quiet it is, bruh. And I'm still in third gear at 2K. They really can't tell. And then when I put it in drive, it dropped down to 1. And you can't hear shit. Like literally, you can't even hear nothing. But it's time to wake up the city. It's the first of the month. Woo! Take my shit downtown, boy. Bro, I'm telling y'all, when I get that vet, nigga, it's old, bro. It's January 1st right now, bro. Once I get the vet, nigga, it's over with. Like, real shit. I'm telling y'all, like, and I'm getting that bitch this year, bro. It's over with. Now I gotta have a serious talk with the vet niggas, like specifically a video for vets, cause like some of y'all just come for the Mustang and shit, and I know I talk about random ass shit, but I really need help if I should get an LS2 or LS3. Of course the LS3 is better, like all around, but like nigga, that shit costs, boy. I am not trying to pay that much right now. But I don't want to get the LS2 and wish I got the LS3 the whole time I had the LS2, cause right now I wish I had the GT the whole time I got the V6. Yeah, it's a nice ass car, but you know what I'm saying? It's different, bro. But no cap, I'm just about almost there, you feel me? I know this wasn't a long drive. I didn't hit the freeway at all. Get that little ass bubble car ass out of here, man. What the fuck? Back up, my nigga. Why you trying to drive all close to me, bro? Back up, cuz. Fuck me. Damn, it's New Year's. Everything might be closed. Oh, fuck. I just wasted gas. Nah, bro, that shit gotta be open, bro. Bruh, no, bruh. It's snowing too, bruh. It gotta be at least one employee in that bitch that'll let me go in there. I only take about 2, 3, bruh. Max I take is 15 minutes in the store, bruh. I'll be having, like, I don't even know if it's called social anxiety. I do got that shit, but like, bruh, I don't like being... You couldn't wait one car, nigga? Nobody else behind me, bruh. But nah, what was I just talking about, my nigga? I was talking about something important. It was so important, bruh. Oh yeah, like I don't be in the store for real. Fuck all that. I know what I want. I go in and get out. I may try to look for one new thing, just, you know what I'm saying, spare some time and shit. But like I know how much I'm gonna spend. I know how many things I'm gonna get. I know where everything I want is at. Like, bro, I take my time with that shit, bro. I don't take my time. I don't keep rushing though. Nigga, I know what the fuck I want. I be organized with it. I don't give a fuck. Way good. They like, why the fuck is he driving a Mustang in the snow? Cause the road's clear, niggas. If I ain't sliding to the point I'm scared, if I'm sliding and I don't give a fuck, I'm still taking this bitch. But if I'm driving to the point where I'm like sliding and shit, I can't even get out the driveway, man, fuck no. I'm just going back in the crib, play Fortnite, and dub some shit. You feel me? Bro, this shit better be open, bruh. If this shit not open, I'm gonna be so hurt. Hit him with a loud down shit real quick though. Woohoo! Woohoo! Oh yeah, I think they open. Yeah. Yeah.